Hit the upgrade button and maximize the efficiency of interior installation for your AX enclosures. Hello, I'm Rita, and I'm a service technician at Rital. Today, I want to show you why our accessories for the AX are the game changer. The centerpiece of the AX is the interior installation rail. Simply position as required and screw into place. That's all. Flexible, fast, and no drilling. Interior installation is finished in next to no time. Simple, reliable, and effortless. And all approvals are retained. Later system expansion? No problem. The Mini Comfort Handle. Fast and simple fitting, replacement at any time, and flexible retrofits. Our cable entry solutions keep everything safe and tidy. Whether two-part gland plates or modular options, and fast and flexible installation is guaranteed. Tailored accessories make all the difference. More efficiency, more security, and maximum flexibility with the AX. Hit the upgrade button and raise your performance to a new level.